This is a short sequence combining movements with the 6 healing sounds. They're the whispered healing sounds, focusing on releasing emotions that get stuck in the corresponding organs. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees soft, tailbone points towards the ground, chin is slightly tucked with a long spine, shoulders relaxed and arms hanging down at the front. The first sound is for the lungs, which is a S sound. We'll inhale, and then on the exhale we make the sound. Here's the movement. Palms face flat towards the earth. Inhale and spread them out to the side. Exhale, placing the index finger and thumb together and bring them together in the center, applying pressure between the thumb and index finger. Inhale out, let's make the sound. Inhale, spreading the hands out. Inhaling, hands out. We'll do this 6 times. We're focusing on releasing the emotion of grief, and also loss and depression. These are the emotions that get stuck in the lungs. Let the hands float down and just take a moment, breathing gently, focusing on the lungs and sending them healing energy. Next, the kidneys. The sound is chew, whispered, chew. We inhale, bringing the backs of the hands together and move them up the center line of the body, and exhale with the hands down to the sides, palms face forward. Let's do 6. Inhaling the hands up, exhale. Inhaling. The emotion we're releasing with the kidneys is fear. Inhaling, rounding the back around the kidney area. Inhale. One more time. Relax the hands at the front of the body and breathe gently, sending healing energy to the kidneys. Next, we focus on the liver, which stores a lot of our anger and frustration. The sound for the liver is a shh sound. We turn to one side, doesn't matter which one, and inhale, bringing the hands up, twisting to the center as we place the hands palms down over the head, and then we exhale and make the sound palms forward, arms coming down to the sides. Let's do 6. Inhale the hands up, twist to the center, and then exhale. Turn to the other side, inhaling the hands up, twist. Inhale, moving the hands up, twist to the center. Inhale, letting go of anger and frustration. Inhale, hands up. And one more. Relax the hands down, breathe gently, and send healing energy to the liver. Focusing next on the heart, the sound for the heart is ha, but whispered. And here we're letting go of impatience and arrogance. We turn to our left. Inhale the right arm across at chest height, and then exhale the left arm across and make the sound. So let's try 6. Inhale, right arm across, twisting the body, exhale. Inhaling, right arm across, exhale. Inhaling, right arm across and twist. Inhale. Couple more. Relax the hands down, come back to center. Breathe gently and send healing energy to the heart. Next, we're focusing on the spleen, which is on the left-hand side of the rib cage. The sound for the spleen is a who sound, but with a rounded O at the back of the throat, so it's more like a oh. Take the feet out a little bit wider and sink the knees, bringing the hands up so the palms face down towards the ground. Inhale with a straight spine, and exhale leaning forward as if you were swimming. Let's do 6. Inhale, the hands back towards the chest. The sound for the spleen helps release worry, overthinking, and overanalyzing. Inhaling, bringing the hands back up. Exhale. Inhale, straightening up, and exhale, make the sound. Inhale, and exhale, make the sound. Inhale. Allow the hands to relax down in front of the body. And slowly bring the feet in, back to shoulder width apart, relaxing the joints, sinking the weight. Breathe gently, sending healing energy to the spleen. Finally, we focus on the triple warmer. The sound for this is a he, whispered he. And we inhale, bringing the hands up the center line of the body, and exhale, making the sound, and push the hands all the way down from head, down through the chest, all the way down through the groin. Let's do 6 of these. Inhale, bring the hands up, and exhale, push the hands down the front of the body. With this one, we're releasing stress and negative energy. Inhale, hands up. Exhale. Inhale, hands up. And exhale. Inhaling, hands up. Exhale. Inhale, hands up. Exhale. Inhaling, hands up. And exhale. Relax the hands down, sinking the knees, tuck chin, tucked elbow, and just relax for a minute or so in silence, integrating the 6 healing sounds into the body.